Most people think of cling film as just something for covering leftovers, but its uses go way beyond that. In this video, we're sharing 6 clever and unexpectedly handy ways to use cling film that can simplify everyday chores in your kitchen and home. From tackling stubborn grease to avoiding spills while traveling and solving everyday household annoyances. These tips can help you save time and skip the frustration. Stick around until the end. The last hack might just save the day in an emergency. Let's dive in. After you've finished baking, the oven rack is usually the first thing to get grimy, since sauce splatters and bits of food easily cling to it. Luckily, cleaning it isn't complicated at all. Start by laying a wide piece of plastic wrap across your table or kitchen counter. Next, lay the grimy oven rack on top of it. Then liberally coat the whole thing with degreaser or oven cleaner, paying extra attention to the spots caked in grease. Once that's done, seal the rack completely by wrapping it in a second layer of plastic wrap, making sure nothing is left exposed. Leave it for about 10 minutes or up to an hour for stubborn stains. The cling film traps moisture so the cleaner doesn't dry out, giving it more time to break down the grease. Once you peel back the wrap, you'll find the grease has loosened up considerably, making it simple to wipe clean, leaving the rack sparkling without any hard scrubbing required. Cling film also comes in handy for shielding your kitchen walls from oil splatters during cooking. When you're frying, oil tends to spray onto the wall behind the stove, which can turn cleanup into a tedious, annoying chore. To save yourself the hassle later, just press cling film onto the wall surrounding your cooking area before you begin frying. Be sure it covers the areas that typically catch the most grease. Acting as a shield, the cling film catches all the oil splatters and grease on its surface, keeping them off your wall entirely. Once you've finished cooking, you'll find the cling film coated in grease. Simply peel it away and put up a fresh layer. That's all it takes to keep your walls looking spotless and shiny, with no tough cleanup to worry about. With the chicken wings fried up, it's time to whip up that tasty sauce. Start by gathering ingredients such as onion and garlic, and peel them. For a tidier process, grab a hand blender, along with some cling film. Drop the garlic into the blending chamber of your hand blender. Stick to a moderate quantity rather than packing it full, so the blades can spin freely and work at their best. Next, stretch a piece of cling film over the opening at the top of the blending compartment. Now blend it until it reaches a smooth consistency. With the cling film in place, everything stays neatly contained, a real convenience. Once you're done blending, lift off the wrap and you'll find the garlic perfectly minced with no mess splattered around. This same trick works for black peppercorns too. From there, saute your minced aromatics, pour the sauce in, add the chicken, and stir it all together. And just like that, a delicious plate of saucy chicken is ready to go. To avoid this, start by unscrewing the bottle cap. Next, take a small piece of cling film and stretch it tightly across the bottle's opening before twisting the cap back into place. By forming an additional barrier, the cling film keeps liquid from escaping, even if the bottle tips over or gets jostled around inside your luggage. This easy hack helps ensure your clothes and belongings stay dry and stain-free for the whole trip. Cling film is also great for wrapping up shoes or slippers before tucking them into your suitcase. Doing so stops soil from the soles from transferring onto your fresh clothes, keeping the inside of your luggage looking tidier overall. Got a small rug that keeps sliding around the floor, particularly in the kitchen, bathroom, or hallway? Cling film can serve as a quick, temporary fix. Begin by sliding strips of cling film beneath the spots on the rug that get stepped on most. Unroll a large enough piece to cover as much surface area as you can, or double it up so the whole rug is covered. By boosting traction and limiting shifting, the cling film keeps the rug firmly anchored, cutting down on the risk of slips and falls. Once that's done, lay the rug back down on top. Go ahead and give it a test. You'll notice it feels far more stable and no longer skids around the way it used to. Lastly, cling film can also come to the rescue during a clogged toilet emergency. Toilet paper or waste sometimes fails to flow properly through the drain pipe, causing a blockage, but rather than panicking, you can try this straightforward method first. Begin by sealing the whole rim of the toilet bowl tightly with cling film, making sure there are no openings along the edges that would let air leak through. For added durability and a tighter seal, you can even apply to layers. Next, go ahead and flush once. As the water and air pressure build up underneath, you'll see the cling film start to balloon outward. Once that happens, press down gently on the middle with your hands, forcing the air to compress and push the clog further down the drain pipe. And there you have it. The clog clears fast, with no mess and no hassle. This trick works remarkably well, so be sure to keep it in mind and use it the next time you need it. And there you have it. -6. Smart ways to put cling film to use beyond just covering food. These simple household tricks can help cut down on time, mess, and everyday hassles, all using stuff you've already got at home. So which one was your favorite? Drop a comment and let us know. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the thumbs up and pass this video along to someone who's into practical home hacks. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy tricks and handy DIY ideas. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.